The products that we use, you have to be pre-approved to use, unlike the store-bought shelf products, right? That all of the so-called roofing contractors and people we bid against that are out there doing today, right? The difference between the products we use is you have to be vetted. You have to be insured. They check your bondability. They check your financial statements. They don't just sell these products to any Tom, Dick, or Harry, right? We pride ourselves on having had those products in our toolbox for 35 plus years anyways. The fact that we get the warranties, the inspections, the pre-job inspections where they write the specifications, Gary, great point, that we have to put the roof on in accordance to the manufacturer. Unlike 90% of the competition out there, which I don't consider competition because people, say, I got 3 prices on my roof. Well, God bless you. You only got 1 price for the right roof, and you're looking at that guy today, okay? And here's why. Licensed to install these products that in the end user, the homeowner, gets to enjoy the 25-year warranty of that product. Unlike the store-bought stuff, the shelf-bought, every Tom, Dick, and Harry's buying, or go to Home Depot and get the least expensive products to erode the value of the roof. Who's going to pay for that? The homeowner.